Hello, my people. I hope you are well in any place, in any country. I'm glad that you're keeping safe, doing well wherever you are. Still in the month of August. I just want to quickly come and share the message that the Holy Spirit has given me concerning rapture. I know everyone now is concerned with the message of rapture, that rapture might be happening in September, rapture might be happening anytime soon. Which is true. Rapture might be happening at any time. Today can be rapture. Tomorrow can be rapture. Even in a few seconds now can be rapture. God can come. Christ can come at any time. But one thing I want to tell is that you should not fear. You should not panic. You should not panic. You should not panic. Anytime could be rapture. Even now can be rapture as well as I'm speaking now. But you should not panic. You should be excited because you're about to receive your reward as a Christian. You've been laboring. One, the only thing that you should be, you should keep in mind or should keep with yourself is stay prepared. Stay prepared anytime. Always be ready. Always be ready. The time for rapture is not time to panic. When you discuss the rapture, it's not to scare anyone. It's not for anyone to be scared as a Christian. It's for you to be happy. It's for you to remind yourself that you should always be ready anytime. That's why I always preach the message. Live each and every day as if it was your last day, which is one of also the message that was preached by Prophet Joshua. And always live each and every day as if it's your last day, because one day you shall surely be right. So you're not supposed to be panicking because of rapture. You are supposed to be excited. The only thing that will make you fear is if you are not living your life right. Actually, if you're not living your life, you should be excited, you should be scared even now. But if you live each and every second right, if you live each and every day as if it's your life day, you're not supposed to be concerned about rapture. Because anytime Christ can come and he will find you ready. He will find you waiting for him. See, that's the message I wanted to come in and say that this is not time for fear. It's not to panic whether rapture will happen or not. Because rapture can happen anytime. It can happen today. On that September, it can happen today, it can happen now. The only thing that matters with this rapture, the whole rapture matter is, are you ready? That's the only thing that matters, because anytime can be rapture. Anytime can be rapture. I'm not going to comment whether the brother who shared the message is right or is wrong, but the main factor is just to remind us that we must always be ready. When you're always ready, you have no need to panic. Well, it's like a child who's about to write his exam. Any child who's prepared, all excited to write the exam, but only the one who are not prepared, they'll panic when the exam time comes. So we've been blessed. I just wanted to remind that do not fear. The only thing is make sure you're ready. Start preparing now. Start cleaning your house now. Start getting your house in order now. Because anytime can be rapture. I hope you've been blessed by this message. As I wanted to come and share this message, always be ready. This is just to remind that always be ready. Rapture can be anytime. You don't have to worry about. You are not supposed to worry about when rapture is gonna come. No, you're not supposed to worry. That's not should be your concern. Your concern should be: are you ready?